Hello, friends. Welcome to Math and Roll. Today we're playing Find the Mistake, Subtraction Challenge. Look carefully at each subtraction problem and decide, is it right or wrong? You'll have a few seconds to think before the traffic light appears. Example number 1. 17 minus 5 equals 12. Correct. 17 minus 5 really is 12. Example number 2. 14 minus 9 equals 6. Oops, that's wrong. 14 minus 9 equals 5. Example number 3. 20 minus 8 equals 12. Yes, 20 minus 8 is 12. Example number 4. 13 minus 7 equals 8. Nope. 13 minus 7 equals 6. Example number 5. 18 minus 9 equals 9. Great job! 18 minus 9 equals 9. Example number 6. 15 minus 9 equals 4. No, 15 minus 9 equals 6. Example number 7. 18 minus 6 equals 13. Oh no, 18 minus 6 equals 12. Example number 8. 16 minus 8 equals 8. Yes, 16 minus 8 equals 8. Double 8. Example number 9. 15 minus 7 equals 9. Oops, that one's wrong. 15 minus 7 equals 8. Example number 10. 13 minus 4 equals 9. Yes, 13 minus 4 really is 9. Example number 11. 18 minus 7 equals 10. Not this time. 18 minus 7 equals 11. Example number 12. 17 minus 8 equals 10. That's wrong. 17 minus 8 equals 9. Example number 13. 12 minus 6 equals 6. Correct. 12 minus 6 equals 6. Example number 14. 20 minus 9 equals 11. You got it. 20 minus 9 equals 11. Example number 15. 19 minus 8 equals 12. Oops! That's not right. 19 minus 8 equals 11. Example number 16. 17 minus 9 equals 8. Yes. 17 minus 9 equals 8. Example number 17. 16 minus 9 equals 8. Nope. 16 minus 9 equals 7. Example number 18. 19 minus 7 equals 12. That's right. 19 minus 7 equals 12. Example number 19. 14 minus 5 equals 9. Perfect. 14 minus 5 equals 9. Example number 20. 16 minus 7 equals 10. Wrong this time. 16 minus 7 equals 9. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like. For more videos like this, please subscribe.